So, hey guys, welcome back. It's your bright keys. We're going live on CoinMarketCap's blog, Alexandria. We're going to be reviewing this article: FTX US trading volume surged 512% in 3 months. So, we're going to be reviewing this article. If it's your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, what we do crypto updates, crypto reviews, news reviews, airdrops, and a lot more, guys. So, you want to stay tuned to our channel. You want to subscribe, click on the red subscribe button. We'll also be giving a giveaway to our first 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers. So to be part of the family, you want to join us, guys. Okay. So let's dive right in. Table of content, marketing touchdown. So trade volume at Sam Bankman Fried's FTX US cryptocurrency exchange surged in Q3, jumping 512% in 3 months. California-based and US-regulated exchange saw an average daily volume of around $360 million in that period, spiking to $807 million on September 7. It said. So FTX US also claimed to have increased its user base by more than 50% and seen its share of the US cryptocurrency spot market more than double from about 2% in Q2 to 4.5% in Q3. So Brett Harrison, president of FTX US, said the trust and support of our user base has allowed FTX us to become the fastest growing and most in demand crypto exchange in the US. But we have barely scratched the surface. So in September, the main FTX exchange decamped from Hong Kong to the Bahamas, citing its proactive regulatory regime. It's been a busy few months for FTX US, which raised $900 million in Q3 and another $420 million in October, bringing its valuation to $25 billion. So the company also brought Ledger Holdings, parent company of CFTC, regulated derivatives and exchange Ledger X. So Harrison said the acquisition of Ledger X, which we have since rebranded as FTS US derivatives, will enable us to provide licensed crypto futures and options to our retail and institutional customers and has placed us in the unique position to reshape the US derivatives market. To achieve our goals, we will be in constant communication with regulatory agencies and are open to play a central role in defining our crypto regulatory policy in the US. So the company launched the FTX NFT marketplace on the Solana blockchain in October, with Harrison promising to provide simpler, safer, and easier tools to remove the barriers to entry for that audience to enter the NFT space. So live here we have CoinMarket Recaps podcast available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts, guys. You can check out, usually very informative too. So marketing touchdown, he said FTX US has also been on something of a marketing spree this year, spending $135 million to buy naming rights to the stadium of NBA Miami's Heat in October and rename it to FTX Arena. So legendary quarterback Tom Brady took an equity stake in FTX in July and has starred in advertisements for it. In October, FTX bought a Super Bowl ad, which sold for as much as $6.5 million, promising to use it to educate people about crypto. So no mention of who will star in the commercial. So guys, that's all we have today on CoinMarketCap. You can feel free to like, share, subscribe. You can drop your comments in the comment section. For our subscribers, we'll be giving out a giveaway once we get up to 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers. So you want to be part of the family and you want to stick with us. So guys, cheers guys. See you in our future uploads. You can always drop your feedback in the comment section. Peace out guys and stay blessed.